I just wanted to say thank you for the opportunity to apply for this grant. This type of help is just what small businesses need right now. And if Gabe Spotless Window Cleaning wins this grant, you should know that it will be going to a company that, one, is locally and family owned. We started this company back in 2000 and have loved watching it grow into a part of the community. Number two, we support nonprofit organizations. We care about supporting worthy causes in our area. And number three, we are active in helping those in the window cleaning community nationwide.
Halfway through the year, I had an accident where a ladder slipped out from under me, and due to that fall, I broke my back and both my wrists. And during that time, one of the Facebook groups that I'm a part of, the Into the Flow Facebook group, had a moderator, Gabriel Gutierrez, who reached out to me in regards to helping set up a fundraiser to help us during that time. And so it was a huge benefit to me and my family.
Hi everybody, I'm Jeff Kopfer, Executive Director of Trot, Therapeutic Writing of Tucson. Gabe's Spotless Window Cleaning came out to Trot and made our office sparkle with clean windows just in time for our spring semester. We are incredibly grateful for their kindness, devotion to improving the community around us. Thank you, Gabes.
We care about the safety of our crews and have continual safety training throughout the year, including making sure that all of our techs are OSHA 1910 certified. I am an avid runner and would love to help our employees live a healthier lifestyle. If we win, we would use this money to pay for gym memberships for all employees and quarterly health challenges with prizes as incentives. Just remember, if Gabe Spotless Window Cleaning wins this grant, a lot more than one company wins.